welcome back. We will start with a problem which says x plus 1 by x, if it is equal to 2 cos theta, where x not equal to 0, then find x to the power n plus 1 by x to the power n is how much. Let us start. So, from this equation you can say this is a quadratic equation, where it is, if I calculate it or simplify it, it would become 2x cos theta. So, I arrange it in a fashion that it will give a shape of a simple quadratic equation, where x, the highest power of x is 2. So, x has to be 2 root, let us say x 1 2. So, calculating, so you know that if a quadratic x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the roots are minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So, the similarly, if I put the values where minus b, here the coefficient of x has to be x there. So, the coefficient of x is minus 2x. So, minus minus plus, so it will become 2 cos theta plus minus under root of b square is 2 cos square theta, means 4 cos square theta minus 4ac, 4 into a is the suffix of x square, and here is 1c. So, both are 1. So, it will become minus 4 upon 2 into a means 1. So, if I calculate it, it would become 2y square. If I take 4 common, so it will come outside as 2, and if I take minus common, it will become cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, here 2. So, 2 all will be cancelled out, it would just remain as 2 cos only cos theta plus minus root, under root of minus is, you can represent it I square. So, I square it will come out as I, because I is nothing but under square of minus 1. So, minus 1, and here 1 cos square theta is sin square theta, when it will come out, it will come out as sin theta. So, the value of the roots, will become both x1 x2 it become cos theta plus minus I sin theta. Okay. So, if I take plus, it will be a one root, and if I take minus, it will be another root. So, if I write it, it can be written as x e to the power I theta, e to the power I theta. Okay. Now, if I do nth times the root nth time multiplication of x to the power n, if I find, then it will become e, the power will come here, I n and theta, it will be written as this way. So, this I can write this as cos theta plus minus I sin theta, can be written I to the power e to the power I theta. Then this can be written as simply cos theta. So that I can calculate the maximum number of students can be accommodated in a single accommodation. So that if I can accommodate the maximum number of student in a accommodation, then I can utilize number of accommodation. So 27, 39, then your 3, 9, 13. So my HCF will be this part only, as you know. So my HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3. So that is equal to 12. So there should be only 12 students per accommodation. Now the question is that what is the minimum number of accommodation that has to be used, so that the second condition of the math where I cannot merge this student in single accommodation. So if you see the 12, if I divide 100 by 12, it will give you result 9. If I divide 12, it will give you 13. Okay, this numbers. So as I am not able to keep this student with this student, so separately I have to use 9 here and 13 here. So the minimum number of accommodation that has to be used is equal to 22. Okay, so thank you for now. So I will come with a more number of maths, interesting maths, not any regular maths. I just want to consult or give you the solution or show you the solution for that. Rather I always try to give those examples which are very interesting, and there is a definitely different learning, is not a usual math that you will follow. So thank you for now. Please subscribe and like my videos, try to forward to your groups, so that more people will be advantageous, more people will be helpful to solve their required problems, or their knowledge can be enhanced. Thank you for now.